Hello everyone. So, I kidnapped a human and told them to film this video for me, and the only payment they're getting is some lewd photos of me. So yeah, that's how we're going to sort out this episode. I just was like, bitch, you got a phone? They're like, yeah, I got a phone. Who doesn't have a phone? I'm like, good fucking film. And also I told them they're not allowed to speak, but they are allowed to wave. Oh look, they waved. Cool. Anyway, so I had them take all the stuff out of the box, and they're gonna show it to you, and I'm going to say what the fuck it is. So first things first is the box. You know, it's a box. I told them they do not have the budget to buy a tripod, so they have to do it on their own. So yeah, this is the box. It's the top of the box. There's this thing. Yeah, so I'm adamantly against unboxing, but now see, here's my thing. Everything's already out of the box, so it's not an unboxing, so I'm okay with it. I think the act of unboxing is stupid. Having everything out of the box beforehand is perfectly acceptable. So we're gonna go from the top down. What you get, first off, this is the like Ultimate Edition or whatever. So the first thing you get is the actual game that's, you know, separate from the main thing. And the actual game does come in this, but we don't care about that because when you get this edition, you get this nice metal one. Here's the front side. And of course, what I care about, Team Evil, because I'm evil as fuck. Boom, there you go. This is what we care about. Let's see, we have the like standy thingy. This one's freaking precious. It's it comes in a little frame. Show them the frame. There you go, it comes in this thing. You like push the things out, and then you just stick it together like that. See what was after that. Yes, okay, so boom. This is the official soundtrack for the game, which is pretty cool. I have like one computer in my repertoire of tech that can run that, so that's good at least. And then after that comes the adorable pins. Look at these. So precious. So precious. And if you're curious, they attach at 2 points, so they'll always stay vertical. That's actually a really cool design choice. Very smart. Definitely good quality. I approve. Then we have the adorable little figure. Rotate it into the light a bit. There you go. It's about, I'd say, 6 inches tall or so. The head is rotatable. It's differently positioned than the rest of the body, and the body gets pinned down into the base. Comes in a little like packaging thing where the base is separate. The rest, some assembly required. That sort of thing. And then when you get to the very, very, very bottom, you get this awesome thing. Get the nautical debriefing, which basically this has a whole bunch of like cosplay reference materials. So that's really awesome. I love it. I love it so very much. I'm gonna have the human scan it into the computer or just flip it through at my camera so I can see everything. So yeah, and the human's not allowed to ask for help or anything. They're not being held captive. They're free to go. Once they, you know, send me the footage from the camera. Are you gonna do that, human? Good. Get to it. Bye, everyone. I'm gonna get back to playing the game.